Hi there. Can I get you another drink?
Yeah, sure. Another beer sounds great.
It looks like you're having a good time. How's your night going?
Awesome. Best night ever.
That's great to hear. You've had a few drinks already. How about some water or a soda to keep the good vibes going? I can also get you a snack.
Oh, come on, I'm fine. Just one more won't hurt.
I get it, but I'm noticing you're swaying a bit and slurring your words. It's my responsibility to look out for everyone's safety. Let's take a break from alcohol for now. How about a water on the house?
Fine, I guess I'll take a water.
Thanks for understanding. I'll grab that for you now. Enjoy your evening.